Hello, girls and boys. How are you?
Hello, teacher.
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm funny.
I'm fine.
Thank you very much. Very good. Okay. What do you think the topic of our lesson? Қалай ойлайсыңдар? Бүгінгі сабақтың тақырыбы қандай?
I think about social media.
Okay, social media. Yes, very good. What is social media? Social media. Қалай түсінеміз? Не деп ойлайсыздар ол?
Социальная сеть.
Жақсы, иә?
Social media
You can
help us find old new friends.
Okay, Dilnaz, very good. Miras? What do you say?
You can communicate.
Yes, you can communicate. Next question is, what social media do you know? Қандай?
Twitter, Instagram.
What? It's a mama.
Ага.
WhatsApp, Instagram,
Yes.
Twitter,
Мгм.
Google Play Market.
Very good.
Facebook.
Ақбота, Lunara, what do you think, girls? Lunara.
Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp.
Okay. Ақбота.
WhatsApp, Telegram, Google, Play Музыка,
Молодец.
Apple Music.
Okay, good.
I am finished.
I'm
Okay.
finished.
Мгм.
I'm finished.
Okay. You have 1 minute. Тағы да 1 минуттарыңыз бар. Содан кейін әр оқушы өзінің ойын оқиды. Okay. Lunar, are you finished?
I'm finished.
Okay. Who's the one? Кім бірінші бастаймын дейді?
It's a mama.
Ақбота бастай ғой.
Плюсы providers and additional education. Минусы is harmful to health and to the eye.
Okay, you're right. Dilnaz, please. You.
Пайдасы. Fast communication, education, online service, e-commerce.
Мгм.
Пайдасы. Virtual communication reflects life growth.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. Miras, what do you think about it?
Жақсысы, you can communication, you can play game. Жаманы, improvisation, you can find that this you net.
Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, good. Lunara, please, you. What do you think?
Пайдасы, we can get any information through the internet. Пайдасы, if we spend a lot of time on the internet, we can lose our eyesight.
Okay. Жақсы, өте жақсы, иә? Нұрасыл. Нұрасыл. You can read this one.
Microblogging,
Мгм.
reading, social bookmarking, social conflict, forums,
Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you, Nurasol. Dilnaz, please read.
Multimedia, social network, blogging, microblogging, online reading, social bookmarking.
Social, yes? Okay. Жақсы оқушылар, енді Lunara, what did you learn today? You can answer, I learned today. Деп жауап берулеріңе болады, иә?
I learned today and social media.
About social media, yes? Okay, thank you very much. The lesson is over. Thank you very much to all of you. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay,
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye.